Hello guys, this is Benjo Pogi. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, counters using teardrop bag, counters dun sa mga punches and kicks. So, kailangan ko na ng boxing gloves, ordinary punching bag, yung parang banana bag, or yung street vertical bag, ito, teardrop bag, so okay lang din. So, yung muna natin pa-practicein is boxing, counter sa jab. So, imagine na nag-jab yung opponent nyo, the side. Medyo bend yung knee, okay? So, twist, pwede nakataas yung shoulder, or nakataas yung kamay, on guard. Twist, then punch. Twist, punch. So, opponent, twist, punch. Twist. Pwede kayo mag-step sa side, para mawala kayo sa center line, then punch. Step sa side, twist, kuha ng power, generate, punch, twist, then hook, twist, hook, hook, twist. Pag ganun, pwede pa ganyan. Step sa side, hook, step sa side, step sa side, twist, opponent. Okay, go kick, block, boom. Medyo mababa yung knee para tatama doon sa shin. Boom. Ang target kasi ng opponent is itong outer part ng leg. So, tail kick, body, nose down, body, block, kick, block, 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 block. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you guys.